Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how and where you can find project keys for your projects on Jira. So let us dive right into it. Head over to your Jira site, log into your account. And here guys, on the left panel, expand the project list here. Here you will see a list of all ongoing projects within your Jira site. Now there are basically two different ways how you can find your project key. Now we, for example, click into one of these projects, guys, you will see these work items or issues, if they were called in the past, each issue with its own key. As you can see, that one and that one and that one, that's the work item or issue key. However, guys, your project features a key as well. So option number one would be to simply click into more projects here and then into view all projects there. That is going to give you access to a list of all ongoing projects inside your Jira site. And here under that column key, you will see the given key for the project assigned to it. That's one way. The other option, guys, would be to simply access the given project, click into these three dots next to its name and access the project settings. And here inside your project details, guys, you will see that field here, project key. So you may simply copy it if you need it, and yeah, share it with your co-workers and teammates. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.